Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rust using a keyboard and mouse. First, ensure your keyboard and mouse are properly connected to your computer. Then, launch the Rust game application from your desktop or game library. Once the game loads, immediately navigate to the in-game settings menu. This is where you will begin customizing your experience for optimal gameplay and control. Movement is fundamental in Rust. Use the W, A, S, and D keys to move your character forward, left, backward, and right, respectively. To jump over small obstacles or gain a height advantage, simply press the spacebar. For quicker traversal across the map, hold down the Shift key to sprint. When you need to be stealthy or take cover, press the Control key to crouch. Engaging in combat and interacting with the world are crucial. Use your left mouse button to attack with your equipped weapon or to use an item. The right mouse button allows you to aim down the sights of your weapon for precision or to block incoming attacks. To interact with doors, loot containers, or gather resources, simply press the E key. Your mouse scroll wheel lets you quickly cycle through your hotbar items. Managing your inventory is vital for survival. Press the Tab key to open your inventory screen, where you can drag and drop items to organize your gear. For advanced commands or troubleshooting, press F1 to access the in-game console. Remember to utilize the number keys, 1 through 6, for quick access to your most important items on the hotbar, saving precious seconds in critical moments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.